Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, uh, My Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about editing tools in ETABS. I have prepared a random model for the exercise, how and when these tools can be applied when we model uh, projects in a ETABS, right? Uh, These are the four types of commands we use for this tutorial, that is replicate command, extrude command, trim command and extend command, right? First I go to the edit tabs, then go to replicate option and go to plan. I will stay in story 4. Okay, then draw cell element. I'll draw cell element here. You see, now in linear option, what we do is we can replicate it in x direction and y direction only. So just I want to replicate this slab in this portion, right? In right side. Put 8 here, then number 2. Select this one. First select, and then apply. You see, 2 number of cells have been replicated along x direction, right? We could do it in the y direction as well. If we replicate it in y direction, number 1, x put x0, y 8, then you see positive y direction. But if we want to replicate it in this minus negative y direction, we should use minus 8 here. Apply. You see, then another option is the mirror option. Delete this one, select these two, go to mirror, and I want to mirror with reference of this axis. Then just pick 2 points on models. One point is this, another point is this, then apply. You see, the mirroring happened. Now if we replicate it in vertical direction, then we must go to the story. Now we are in the 4th floor, right? If we want to replicate it in 3, 2 or 1, then just select these two options, apply. Sorry, first we must select, then apply. Go to 3D view and then see. These cell element have been replicated in story 3 direction, right? Now again we go to plan and stay in 4 story. Okay, just delete all this slab. Delete. Now I want to draw some frame element. Okay, then how we do linear replication in frame element? Then just replicate in minus negative direction, right? First go edit and then replicate. We do it in minus dy, just 1. You see, this is replicated to this element. We can do it the same thing in this direction as well. Now if we want to do it in x direction, then then replicate in x direction. That means 0, 8. You see, we saw the replication in x direction as well. Now if we want it to be mirrored, then just select this one, go to mirror, and select, pick 2 points, then select mirror, and then go to apply. You see, the replication is done in this element. If we want to do it in vertical direction, then select all these elements and go to story and plot it in story 2. Just go to 3D view and see these elements are replicated to story 2, right? This element, these are replicated. Then for column, select this option. Then if we could replication in story, go to 4th story, then apply. You see, it is replicated to 4th story. Now I just go to again plan, stay in 4th, okay, edit, we go to extrude option. Now there are 2 options in extrude command. One is extrude join to frame and another is extrude frame to cell. First we do the extrude join to frame command. Okay, take this joint and then extrude it into a line. That means 8, 0, only 1, right? Apply. You see, another frame is added because this joint is converted into frame element. Now we could do the same thing. If we draw a line, then extrude this to 4 meter in y direction. Suppose 4 meter, this was 0, apply. This is extruded to 4 meter. Another one is go to edit, extrude command, then extrude frame to cell. Now frame should be converted into cell element. You see, select this frame element and then in y direction put -5, 0. You see, the frame element is converted into cell element. Then we can do the same things here. Just in x direction 5, put 0, put 2. See what happens. See, this one is 2 cells have been formed. Okay, now we completed the replicate and extrude command. Delete these things. Again go to edit and then align joints frame edges command. In this case I want to extend the frame object, right? Draw a line, draw a line, this is the line, draw another line, I want to extend this command, this line to this line, right? For this, select this one, select this joint, and select this object, right? Apply. You see, this is extended to this object. Again, another example we see. If we extend this line up to this one, then select this line, then select joint, and then select this line, then apply. Okay. Another command is the trim. How do we trim? Suppose I want to trim this portion, then select this point, this line, select this line, and select this node, then apply. You see, this is trimmed. Now I want to draw line for another example. Sorry. You see, we will trim this line with reference to this line. Okay. Then select this line, select this line, and select this node because we want to remove this portion. Then apply. Okay, friends, that's how we use editing commands in ETABS. These are the most frequent used and very helpful when we design it in ETABS, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will also subscribe my channel so that other videos will be updated as soon as possible. Thank you very much.